What's going on, peeps? It's me, Lindsay here. So what I want to share with you all in this video are 10 ways that you can actually increase your income in the next 7 days. Now, the reason why I want to do this video is because even inside of my groups or even with my YouTube channel or emails that I receive, people are already kind of building a business, or in some cases they're kind of looking for different opportunities to be a part of, and they're just looking for additional ways to earn income while they're actually learning more about their business, how to setting up their business or going through that learning curve that I call it, right? So that learning curve usually means whenever you join like an e-commerce business or you join a business opportunity, you still have some things that you need to learn about the business itself, how to actually promote it and things like that, okay? So anyways, let me go ahead and get back on track. So again, I want to share with you all 10 ways that you can increase your income in the next 7 days. And of course, I have my notes so I can stay on track so I don't go all over the place, right? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to sell your skills, right? So even when you're in part of that learning curve, or even if you have, learned some skills because you have already been actively promoting a business, if you know how to help somebody have ease inside of their business, if you know how to help somebody have results inside of their business, then why not sell your skills, right? So if you know how to create a Facebook fan page, you can sell that skill. If you know how to build somebody's Instagram account up so they can have a lot of followers or whatever else, you can sell that service. If you can create a YouTube channel that's optimized, if you know how to create a capture page, if you know how to create a landing page, if you know how to create a complete sales funnel, all that type of stuff. If you know how to create an effective email sequence, all of those type of skills you can go ahead and sell. And what you can simply do is make a post on your social media, lead with some value first, let people know why it's important that they have a sales funnel for their business, why it's important for them to have a business fan page. And then you can just put a link, or maybe you just tell people, hey, message me if you want to know more information about this service that I'm providing, where I can create this for you and you don't have to worry about it. Something like that. That's a really great way for you to start to generate some additional income, right? The second thing you can do is consulting and coaching. Now, depending on what social media groups that you're a part of or whatever, people have, some strong feelings about this, meaning that they feel that only a certain group of people can only offer coaching and consulting. And to me, that's not the case, right? Because when you're out here and you're talking about your business and you're sharing your life, you're doing live streams, you're sharing value or whatever, you're creating your own audience of people. And then inside of that audience of people, they have related to you. They have built a relationship with you, and they'll prefer probably to work with you above anybody else that's out here who so-called claims that they're the only ones that they can coach and consult because they have done 7 figures or X amount of dollars inside of their coaching or consulting business. And that's just not the case. The only thing I would say that is when you are promoting, or if you're offering coaching and consulting, if you have not made like 6 figures inside of your business, then you can't create a coaching program or a consulting offer telling people, well, I'm going to show you how to make 6 figures. Don't do about it that way. But if you know how to create a simple, $100 per day, every single day inside of your business, then yeah, why not create a coaching or a consulting program and you offer coaching sessions, letting people know what it is that you do in order to hit $100 per day. Some people who are coming online to build a business are not even looking to be multimillionaires or even a 6-figure earner. They just want to make an extra few dollars just so they can, go party, go party an extra few more nights during the week, or maybe take their kids to Disney World and don't have to worry about dipping into the main, their primary source of income or whatever else. So not everybody wants those lofty goals. But if you can create results like that inside of your business, then yeah, why not offer those in a coaching session or whatever else to somebody else, okay? The third thing you can do is a live stream series. So in this live stream series, it can be anywhere from 3 to 5 days. And what you would do is you want to make sure that live stream is surrounded by one particular subject, okay? So your live stream series can be about how to increase your income, or how to get more sales, or how to get more exposure to your business with live streams. So the week before, you can make a post on your social media, your email list, whatever. Let people know, like, hey guys, I'm doing a 5-day live stream series where I'm going to talk about the power of doing live streams for your business as part of your marketing. Now, the first 4 days, you want to provide pure value, right? You can do kind of little soft pitches here and there about your business, about, your opportunity or whatever. But if you can dedicate at least 4 of those live streams to just pure value, and the live streams don't have to be an hour long. They can be 15 minutes long or whatever else, where you just cover one particular point. And, if people start to interact, you can do like a kind of like a Q&A session or whatever else. But the first 4 days, provide value. Day 5, do a recap of the previous 4 days and do a hard pitch of your offer, or maybe a course or something like that. Or maybe you can do actually a little Facebook group. And you're like, well, hey guys, for like $47, you can be a part of this Facebook group where I'm going to walk you through setting up your first Facebook Live to help you generate sales. And the benefit of that is, if you're inside of this group, and the other members, we can all be a part of your live stream. So now when you're doing live streams, you're not there by yourself. You actually have an audience of people that you know who is going to be there to support you, etc., etc. You see what I just did there? That's a way that you can generate income and do a live stream series, right? The next thing you can do is a paid workshop. So something that I had did before, I had did a Shopify A to Z workshop. And inside of this workshop, it was basically like a crash course on getting started with Shopify. And people paid $77 to be a part of this. I think it was a 1-day workshop that I did. And we started, the first part, I showed them how to create an account on Shopify, how to set up their settings, their shipping, how to find products, how to add them, how to create a Facebook fan page, how to create, their first ad, all that type of stuff, right? And people who actually took action during that live workshop, they actually got sales, and I have the testimonials to prove that. But again, that was just another way for me to generate income. Okay. Now, the 5th thing is to create an info course, and this kind of ties along in with steps, ways 3 and 4, because with the live stream series and that paid workshop, all you would need to do is just repurpose that content, meaning you grab the recordings of those live streams and those paid that paid workshop, you put it inside of a membership site, and you put a price point on it. Now you have made that training, that live stream series or that workshop evergreen. And now you have an info course all at the same time, and now you can generate income. Okay? So that's a lot of ways that you can do that. If you already have been creating training out there, or you have already done live streams, then why not package all that information, just repurpose the content and put a price point on it and resell it? You can definitely do that, right? The next thing you can do is flash sales. So this is something that I shared with one of my clients recently. She actually has a challenge group. It's a paid challenge group where it's like a sugar detox paid challenge group, right? And I told her, like, something that you can do to help boost sales is like, during like the week or the weekend, why not do a flash sale where you tell people like, hey, if you take advantage and join the actual sugar detox challenge group this weekend, I will give you X, Y, and Z bonuses, right? So now all you're doing is just sweetening up the deal. Sweetening, I don't know. I'm tongue-tied. You're just adding additional bonuses on the deal to make it sound a lot better than, just the actual product itself, okay? So if you do that, you can definitely increase sales. And what I would definitely recommend is that you don't do the same flash sale consecutively, every weekend. Change it up, right? Make sure it's something that is irresistible, that people just like, have that feeling like, what, I have to take advantage of this because I want that bonus or whatever else. So that's another way that you can generate sales. Also, simple way, increase your prices, right? So if you're already offering, freelance work, coaching and consulting or anything like that, just increase your price and you can earn additional income for the week, all right? Or whatever. Something else you can do, number 8, is create a boot camp. So your boot camp should be about, 3 days, 5 days, or 7 days. If you do anything more than 7 days, people tend just to fall off regardless. So that's why I say like anywhere from 3 to 7 days. And you want to focus it, again, around one particular skill. So a big thing that people still have issues with is with video marketing or getting in front of video. So you can create a 3 or 7 days boot camp series. And you're going to show them how to, set up their first video, what they need to say to increase conversions, what equipment they need to do, or whatever else. And you can charge for that boot camp. And then also, like I said, with that boot camp, if you're going to share with people like the tools that they need in order to create a successful video, meaning like if they need Screencast-O-Matic, if they need this particular phone stand or this type of lighting or whatever else, you can include like Amazon links in the as the back end of your boot camp. So now you're generating sales from the actual boot camp sales, and then you're generating affiliate sales from the actual products that you're recommending to people inside of your boot camp. And that's pretty much what number 9 is affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you already have an existing audience, whether you have a social media following, Facebook, YouTube, why not promote somebody else's products? Because after a while, sometimes, you know, people just can become a little bit more stale with what you are promoting. They already know what you're promoting or whatever else, and maybe they're just not interested in the offer that you have. So why not just promote somebody else's product? Okay, and that way you can earn you know, anywhere from up to like 50% commissions, depending on what you offer to your audience. So you may be asking yourself, well, Lindsay, I don't have a huge audience. All I have is my social media. Well, if you have like, you know, 1,000 people, 2,000 people on your Facebook profile, then why not do like a post where you're talking about a book that completely changed your life after you had read it, and then you go to Amazon, create a free Amazon affiliate account, find that book over there, get the affiliate link, and put it inside of that post. Like, hey guys, if you want to have the same experience I did with this video, with this book, then click on this link and you can purchase it right now from Amazon for like 14 bucks. Now you just generated some sales. Okay, so that's another way you can do it. And then also what you can do is, and this is somebody actually put this onto my Facebook like a few days ago, you can rent your audience. So if you have like a YouTube channel, like for me, I have a YouTube channel, and some of my videos I have like over 80,000 views, 70,000 views on it. I can actually sell the actual space underneath my video, the description of my video, and put other people's links there and charge people for that, so that way they can get some traffic to their links. So one of the good things that when it comes to my YouTube channels, a lot of my YouTube channels are kind of generic, right? So, well, at least the ones I have been doing recently, meaning like it's videos on how to make $100 per day, how to make $1,000 per day, how to make $1,000 per week, how to make $100,000 in 1 year, right? So I can kind of put any type of offer I want underneath those videos. You can also do it if you have real specific videos. So if you have a video that's talking only about Motor Club of America, or you have a business or a video that's only talking about, you know, ClickFunnels, then, you know, connect with other people who have those same businesses who are, you know, who are needing traffic. So you're like, well, hey, I have a MCA video that has over 100,000 views on it, or it has over 50,000 views on it, for X amount of dollars. I can put your link underneath the description for that video for the next 30 days or something like that. And you can now basically sell your audience. You can sell your traffic pretty much, right? So again, guys, those are 10 simple ways that you can increase your income in the next 7 days, right? It's really, really simple, guys. So hopefully you found that information really helpful, guys. Also, check your email, because I have sent you the same exact list to your email, so that way you can have a hard copy of it. Not a hard copy, but you have a copy of it for yourself, right? If you're unable to watch the full video, or you just don't remember, or you didn't write notes like you should have. So I'm going to go ahead and send that information to you on through your email. So make sure you check your email right now so you can get that information. Now, what I do want to share with you is something that I have added to my business that is actually helping me to earn an extra $500 to $1,000 inside of my business, and I only spend 30 minutes on it, right? So that's another thing too, guys. If you want to increase your income, it's even better when you add things that you don't have to spend crazy amount of hours on, right? Because you already have, you know, your the thing that you really want to promote or whatever else. So you have a lot of focus on that, but you don't want anything else to kind of take away from that focus. So that's why I actually went forward and moved forward with this business, because again, all I have to do is spend 30 minutes to maybe 40 minutes per day sharing this business, and I'm actually generating income. And I'm not the only one who is doing it. It is people who have never had success online who are generating their first sales. People who have earned you know, $5,000 with this system. It is amazing, guys. And it's, again, you only spend about 30 to 40 minutes on it, okay? So either below this video, or it's going to be a link where it's going to take you to another page. Go ahead, check out that information, and trust me, you'll be surprised on how amazing and how plug and play this system really is, guys, okay? So again, hopefully you found the information in this video helpful, and until the next one, peace.